Brackets. Multiplying out brackets. Don't do it unless you have to. Brackets do not mean multiplying. There was a famous line in Dead Poets Society by, what's that guy? What's he called?
Robin Williams.
Oh yeah, Robin Williams.
Good morning, Vietnam!
Brackets mean multiplying. No, they don't. Brackets group things together. Brackets do not mean multiplying. 3a. That means 3 times a. You just leave out the times sign. So if you have 3 brackets x plus 1, that means 3 times x plus 1. But you don't have to multiply it out all the time. 5 times 3 plus 2. So that's 15 plus 2 is 17. But put this bit in brackets, that's now 5 times 5, which is 25. The brackets group it together. So 2/3 of 9 plus 3. That's 2/3 of 12, which is 8. But here, you can't add the a and the 2 together. This is 5 times a plus 2. There's not much you can do with that. You could multiply out the bracket. It doesn't really make it any better, but you would get 5a plus 10. So it's 5 times a and 5 times 2, 5a plus 10. So here's a rather complicated looking expression. We can't add these bits together, but we could multiply out the brackets. Let's try it. So 3 times 2x is 6x minus 9 plus 2x plus 10. Okay, it's got worse, but now we could simplify it. 6x plus 2x is 8x plus 1. The minus 9 plus the 10 makes plus 1. So we've made that a lot simpler by multiplying out the bracket and then simplifying it. Do you need to multiply out the bracket here? No. We could divide both sides by 9. So we have x plus 7 equals 12. So x equals 5. You could multiply out the bracket, but it'd be more difficult. Have a look at this. That would be 9x plus 7 9s are 63 equals 108. So got to take away 63, 9x equals 45. So x equals 5. We got the same answer, but it was just harder. We had bigger numbers. So you don't need to multiply out brackets if you can help it. Right, here's a couple of examples. So 10 plus 3 lots of that. We need to multiply out the bracket here. That's 10 plus 6x plus 12. Now we can simplify it. So that's 22 plus 6x, or 6x plus 22. Now the second one. So this 3a is on its own. We have 3a plus 2 times that. So that's 2a minus 10. So now we can add it up. We get 5a minus 10. Right, here are 3 questions for you to try. Copy them down carefully. Show you're working step by step. Don't forget your equal signs. Okay, off you go. Right, answers. Number 1. So multiply out the bracket. We have 15x plus 10 plus 8. That gives us 15x plus 18. Number 2. So we have 7 plus 3 lots of that. That's 3x plus 12. So add that up. We have, I'm going to say 3x plus 19. You could have said 19 plus 3x. Number 3. So multiply out the brackets. We have 6x minus 9 plus 2x plus 10. Now, add them up. We have 8x. Now, plus 10 and minus 9, that's plus 1. Now, it can get a little more tricky when you have a minus sign outside the bracket here. You have to be careful. Watch. So that's 12 minus 2 times that. So minus 2 times x is minus 2x. And minus 2 times the 3 gives you minus 6. Now, add that up, you get 6 minus 2x. Now, this one could catch you out too. Have a look. So we have 9a on its own. 9a minus 6a, that's minus 3 times 2a, and then minus 3 times minus 1 gives you plus 3. That's the tricky bit. Now, add that up, we have right, here's some more questions for you to have a go at. Give them a go. Right, answers, here we go. Number 1. So we have 8 plus 6a plus 8 gives us 6a plus 16, or 16 plus 6a. Number 2. We have 20 minus 6a, and then minus 3 times the 5 gives us minus 15. So that's 5 minus 6a, or minus 6a plus 5, but that's rather better. Number 3, so multiplying out both brackets, we have 7x plus 14 minus 5x plus 15. Minus 5 times minus 3 gives you the plus 15. So adding them up, we have 2x plus, and the last one. So number 4, we have 10 minus x minus 2. So that's 8 minus x. So here we had 10 take away that. 10 take away one of those. So 10 minus the x and minus the 2. Right, download the worksheet and give it a go.